Welcome back to another video from your friends here at Altitude University. 2025 is here, and there is no better way to start the year than by learning a new marketable skill. In this video, we'll discuss what drone pilots can expect to earn in 2025 and give you some tips on maximizing your earning potential. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. The commercial drone industry continues to grow, with 2025 projected to be another lucrative year for commercial drone pilots. But how much can a Part 107 licensed drone pilot expect to make? Earnings vary significantly based on factors like location, level of training, the type of drone you fly, and the specific type of drone work you pursue. Let's break it all down and give you some tips to maximize your earning potential. First things first, to legally operate a drone for commercial purposes in the United States, you must have a Part 107 license issued by the FAA. This certification allows you to work in a variety of industries, from real estate and construction to agriculture and videography. Without it, you can't legally fly a drone and earn money. If you haven't earned your Part 107 yet, make sure to check out our course in the link below. Our students have over a 99% success rate for passing the exam on the first try. With that said, let's jump into the numbers. Earnings can vary greatly based on the pilot's specific situation, but here's a general breakdown of what you might expect. For entry-level drone pilots, the income range is $25,000 to $50,000 a year. Typical work includes real estate photography, basic mapping, and event coverage. At this level, you'll need a basic drone and camera and a Part 107 license. Entry-level pilots often work on smaller projects such as real estate listings or small-scale construction site monitoring. These gigs typically pay $50 to $150 per project, with pilots completing several jobs per week. Next is the mid-level drone pilot, who can expect to earn a range of $50,000 to $100,000 a year. Typical work includes construction site inspections, agricultural surveys, and infrastructure inspections. You'll need an advanced drone with sensors and some industry-specific training. Pilots with specialized skills or industry experience command higher fees. For example, surveying crops with multispectral sensors or inspecting wind turbines requires not only a higher-end drone, but also training in interpreting the data. Jobs like these can pay between $500 and $2,000 per project. At the expert drone pilot level, you can see income ranges of $100,000 or more per year. Typical work includes filmmaking, oil and gas inspections, and drone delivery operations. Here, you'll need high-end drones, specialized training, and extensive experience. At the top of the spectrum are pilots working for major film productions or performing high-stakes inspections for oil and gas companies. Pilots in these roles may charge $3,000 or more per project or earn six-figure salaries through full-time employment. Let's talk about a few factors to consider when looking at your earning potential. Location, location, location. Where you operate plays a significant role in how much you can earn. Urban areas. Cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Miami are hotspots for real estate photography, creative video production, and event coverage. High demand and large budgets often mean higher pay. Rural areas. In agricultural regions, drone pilots can earn steady income conducting crop health assessments or mapping farmland. While the per-project fee may be lower than in urban areas, the volume of work can make up for it. Remote locations. Industries like oil and gas and infrastructure often require inspections in remote areas. Pilots working here can charge a premium due to the specialized nature of the work and the challenges of accessing these sites. Another factor is your equipment. The type of drone you own has a direct impact on the type of work you can do and how much you can charge. Entry-level drones, usually around $500 to $1,500. Drones like the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the Air 2S are great for beginners. They're ideal for real estate photography and small-scale videography, but lack the advanced sensors needed for more technical work. Professional drones, between $2,000 and $10,000, drones like the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise or the Autel Evo 2 Enterprise are equipped with thermal or multispectral sensors, making them suitable for agriculture, inspections, and search and rescue missions. Now onto the high-end drones, which can be over $10,000. Drones like the DJI Matrice 300 RTK can carry multiple payloads such as LiDAR sensors or cinema-grade cameras. They are a must for top-tier drone jobs like film production or large-scale infrastructure mapping. Investing in better equipment can open doors to higher-paying opportunities, but only if paired with the right training. Don't forget that when it comes to your earning potential, training matters. Specialized training can significantly increase your earning potential. Surveying and mapping. Courses on photogrammetry and GIS software can help you break into the lucrative mapping and survey industry. Thermal imaging. Training in thermal imaging allows you to perform building inspections, energy audits, and search and rescue operations. Drone cinematography training. Advanced cinematography training can help you land high-paying gigs in the film and TV industry. Make sure to consider all of these factors when looking at what you can earn in 2025. Now, here are some tips for maximizing earnings in 2025. First, diversify your skill set. Learn skills like video editing, mapping, or thermal imaging to offer a broader range of services. Next, invest in quality equipment. Start with what you can afford, but upgrade as your business grows to take on more specialized and higher-paying work. Our third tip is to network in high-demand industries. Attend industry events and build relationships in industries like real estate, agriculture, and construction. Don't forget to market yourself online. Use platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube to showcase your work and attract clients. Next, stay current on regulations. Regularly update your knowledge of FAA rules to ensure compliance and maintain your Part 107 certification. Finally, join drone pilot networks. Platforms like the Droning Company or Droners.io can connect you with clients and provide steady work. Whether you're looking for a few extra dollars here and there, or you want to make a living off flying drones, commercial drone pilots have a lot of options. By investing in quality equipment, pursuing specialized training, and staying up to date with FAA regulations, you can position yourself to earn anywhere from $25,000 to over $100,000 a year. Whether you're filming luxury real estate in Los Angeles or mapping farmland in the Midwest, there are countless opportunities to turn your passion for drones into a thriving career. That's it for today's video. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.